Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived MasterCraft X24, and it's a 2022. It's the last one we're getting in the season for 2022. This boat is obviously 24 feet. It's the X Series surf boat, 6,100 pounds with 4,300 pounds of ballast. The huge bow up here in the front with the bow filler cushion, flip down armrests. Got the Klipsch speakers up here and the cup holders and anchor storage. So tons of room up here, tons of comfort in this boat. Walking back through at the walk-through door, hidden garbage can. Coming on through, this boat has a lot of storage, long bench seat with flip-up backrests. It's got the rear rear reversible seat, cooler under the storage area here, another flip-up seat. It's got the dual screen, so with that you get navigation and a rear-facing camera. Advanced audio, so you get 2 subwoofers, dash speakers, 6 cockpit speakers, and then we have the 2 8.0 Klipsch tower speakers. On this tower, it's the Z8 tower, the one-touch button to raise the tower up and down with the swivel black wakeboard and wake surf clamping racks. This boat's equipped with the 6.2 430 horsepower Ilmore motor. Feature of the X24 is the reverse or the rear facing seats, fold out footrest, flip up backrests. Now I'll show you the outside of the boat. We did black metal flake with the blue metal flake on this boat, and as you'll see, we have the blue metal flake on the swim deck. So hopping on down, here's the outside of the boat with the new surf system. That's the SurfStar. Beautiful boat. So coming out to MarineMax here at our Greenville store, check out this beautiful newly arrived MasterCraft 2022 X24. Or you can check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you give us a call at 864-236-9005. Come on out and check out this end of the summer 2022 MasterCraft X24. Thank you.